If you are building a website for your SaaS product that has a lot of integrations, a good source of inspiration is the website of Raycast. Raycast is a command center built for the macOS that has a keyboard-focused workflow, and it has a lot of integrations. It has thousands of integrations, and the website of Raycast is very intriguing and appealing. In this video, we are going to look at 7 web design ideas to steal from the website of Raycast. Idea number 1. Put your animated screenshot gallery into context, into a visual context. So this could be a series of videos, product demos, or screenshots, or animated screenshots. But if you put them into a visual context, it will make it more easy for the user to imagine how they can interact with the product. So what Raycast does is that they have put their product demo, which is like a short series of videos, into a visual context of a macOS operating system, because that's how you would use it as a user, right? And they have used these sliders or these screenshot, counters, and they represented them with the macOS dock, which is a very nice touch. It's a very creative idea because this dock is naturally there on the macOS system, and you can see the macOS menu up here as well. And then I see the product in action in the macOS. So this makes me I can imagine how this product works in real life, and yeah, it's just a very nice way to engage the user without them doing anything. Idea number 2. Categorize your integrations. If you have a lot of integrations, it's really nice to display them and display all the logos of your integrations. But if you have so many that you manage to categorize them, it's even better, because users think in workflows, users think in use cases. So for example, if I am an engineer, Google Translate might not be relevant for me. But if I see a category of engineering, I can click on it and I will immediately see integrations that are relevant for me. So this is a nice way to lead the users into the integrations that are relevant for them. Idea number 3. Use autoplay progress indicators on your videos. This is a very common pattern in web design. So what you do is that you display a series of videos. Usually these are product demos as well. And then you display these autoplay progress indicators that shows the user where they are currently in the video. And the good thing about this is that it will make them wait at the end, and they can even maybe click on a video and they can switch to the next one. But if they see that the video ends shortly, they are more likely to actually wait until the end. I even think that this works better for videos, better than images, because if you have these autoplay countdown progress bars on images, it kind of creates pressure on the user. It sort of creates this game like you have to find something, and they are forced, they can feel pressure to read all the content on the screenshot, because they feel like there is something important and they have to find out what's important. But if it's a video, it's more relaxed, because they can just lean back and watch what's on the screen, and they maybe don't feel as pressured to find the important parts. But that's just a notion. That might not be true, but that's how I feel about these videos. So yeah, with videos, autoplay progress indicators, they work great. Idea number 4. Use favorite features within your customer reviews. This is a super nice web design idea I have never seen before. So what you can do is that you will display customer reviews on your website, and you can highlight some of the customers' favorite features, integrations, or extensions within that review. This will do 2 things. First, it will make the review feel more real, because it becomes more specific, and it also promotes that given extension, integration, or feature. So it's a very nice way to make your reviews even more interesting, stand out from from reviews from other sites, because it's more exciting. But also you get to promote some of the features of your product. So yeah, very nice idea. Idea number 5. Use specific numbers in your call to action buttons. Instead of saying browse all or see all or read all, you can say browse thousands more, browse hundreds more, read all 16, read all 42. This will do two things. If you have a big number, like hundreds or thousands, that will create volume and that will signal trust. Yes. If you use a specific lower number, like 15, 2, 4, 5, that will create a notion of completeness. That will create the notion that if I click on this button, I get to see the whole big picture, not just a glimpse of it, not just a preview of it, but I get to see the whole picture. And that will create curiosity in the user, so they are more likely to click these buttons. By the way, if you are looking for someone to help you build, migrate, or optimize your SaaS website, check out my website at gaborpinter.com, because that's exactly what I do. I am a freelance web developer who builds, migrates, and optimizes SaaS websites. On my website, you can read about my reviews, my case studies, and my services, so you might find something that's helpful for you. So check it out at gaborpinter.com. Idea number 6, pick one abstract visual and repeat it everywhere, because this abstract will become as part of your brand and it will ignite instant brand recognition. So what Raycast does is that they have these diagonal metallic shaded panels and they repeat it everywhere. You can see it in the hero section, you can see it as a background of the product demo, you can see it as a background of floating cards, and they even have various they have more variations of it. So the red one is probably the primary one because that's their primary color as well, but they have versions where they put it in blue, they have versions where they make it gray, but they play with this visual all around the website, and this became their brand, and this evokes brand recognitions instantly. And it's also, if you think about it, it's probably a cheap way to create a visual that you can use over and over and again, but since it gives you some frames, because you will have these elements that you want to use in a way, some way, it also will drive creativity, because you will think, how can I use this visual in a not boring way? How can I make it exciting but still recognizable? So yeah, pick one abstract visual, repeat it everywhere, get creative with it, and it will become part of your brand. Idea number 7, use a mega footer with a lot of links. You can use a lot of links in your footer, which will do two things for you. First, it will drive SEO, because you can use a lot of internal links that will help the scrapers and robots to scan your site. And 2, you get to have one more shot to catch the user's attention. If you want to do this, make sure that the links are grouped, so you don't just dump any links in the footer. That will look not professional, obviously, but also it will not help the user to find what he's looking for. So you can create groups that are relevant for them. For example, you can list features that have been not listed on the landing page. So you probably want to show features here that are not necessarily detailed on the landing page, so they get to see something new. Of course, you can list top extensions or integrations as well. And one thing also is that you can even cross-sell or upsell different products or different services that are not directly connected to this given product, but maybe it's connected to you. So that's also an option. Power users will read your footer for sure. And if your SaaS product is actually targeting power users, it might be a very good option and idea to think about how you can make your footer have valuable content for these users. These were 7 web design ideas to steal from the website of Raycast. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know by reacting to this video. I publish web design ideas to steal videos every week, so if you would like to get the future videos as well, make sure to follow me. Thanks for watching. Bye.